Hey everyone, it's Yeti Twitter here, and today I'm here to show you how to solve 68 squared in a fast and simple trick I just discovered. Follow me as I show you how step by step. So we first take the first digit, which is 6, and take the square of 6. 6 squared gives us 36. We put 36 at one side this way. Now we take the second digit, which is 8. We take the square of 8, which gives us 64. We combine 64 with 36. Now what do we do next? We multiply 6 by 8 and by the exponent. So now we get 6 times 8, which gives us 48, by the exponent 2, which gives us 96. So we are just going to write 96 this way and add a 0 at the end and sum it all up. 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 6 is 12. We write 2 and bring 1 here. 7 plus 9 gives us nothing else but 16. So write 6 and bring 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we can clearly indicate that 68 squared is 4,624. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.